Casual sex, often referred to as a hookup or one-night stand, has long been a subject of fascination and scrutiny in the realm of human relationships. It is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon, one that has garnered significant attention from researchers seeking to understand its emotional and psychological consequences. While many individuals engage in casual sex, it has become increasingly evident that the impact of these encounters can vary significantly between men and women. In this article, we delve into the extensive body of research that suggests casual sex may have more adverse emotional outcomes for women compared to men. We will explore the evolutionary and social perspectives that shed light on these disparities and delve into the motivations behind casual sexual encounters. One prominent perspective on the gender differences in emotional outcomes following casual sex is rooted in evolutionary psychology. According to this perspective, men and women have evolved different mating strategies due to the contrasting reproductive costs they incur. From an evolutionary standpoint, men have historically benefited from seeking multiple short-term sexual partners as it maximized their reproductive success. Sperm, being small and inexpensive to produce, allows men to impregnate multiple partners relatively easily. In contrast, women, who invest significantly more in gestation and childcare, have been biologically predisposed to prioritize long-term partners who provide support and resources. Buss and Schmidt, 1993. The reproductive costs incurred by women have been instrumental in shaping their emotional responses to casual sex. Regret, anxiety, and negative emotional outcomes following casual sex have been viewed as evolved adaptations designed to deter women from engaging in short-term mating without the support of a committed partner. Garnered et al., 2018. This perspective suggests that women may be more prone to experiencing negative emotions after casual sexual encounters due to their historically higher reproductive investment. Another perspective emphasizes the influence of societal norms and gender roles on the emotional outcomes of casual sex. Social structural theory posits that gender differences in sexual motives and behaviors arise from the contrasting roles that men and women occupy in society. Eagley and Wood, 1999. In many cultures, men have traditionally held more dominant roles with greater autonomy, while women have been tasked with domestic responsibilities and childrearing. These roles have contributed to the development of gendered social scripts, which prescribe distinct expectations for men and women regarding sexual behavior. Women who exercise sexual autonomy outside of committed relationships may face social stigma and condemnation, a phenomenon commonly referred to as slut-shaming. Farvad et al., 2017. This societal double standard suggests that while men are often praised for sexual autonomy, women who engage in casual sex may be judged harshly, leading to internalized shame and negative emotional outcomes. Recent research has highlighted the role of individual motivations in influencing the emotional outcomes of casual sex. Vrangelova and Ong, 2014. Motivational frameworks propose that the reasons behind engaging in casual sex play a crucial role in determining emotional consequences. Some studies have shown that gender differences in emotional outcomes may be minimal when the motivation for casual sex is considered. For example, individuals who engage in casual sex for autonomous, self-directed reasons, such as personal satisfaction or sexual gratification, tend to report more positive emotional outcomes. In contrast, motivations driven by external factors, such as peer pressure, are associated with poorer self-esteem, increased depression and anxiety, especially among men. While the topic of casual sex remains complex and multifaceted, research suggests that there are noteworthy gender differences in the emotional outcomes of these encounters. Evolutionary perspectives emphasize the historical reproductive costs borne by women, which may contribute to their increased likelihood of experiencing regret and negative emotions after casual sex. Garnered et al., 2018. Social perspectives underscore the influence of societal norms and gender roles, leading to potential stigmatization and condemnation of women who exercise sexual autonomy. Farvad et al., 2017. However, it is important to recognize that individual motivations play a significant role in shaping the emotional aftermath of casual sex. Vrangelova and Ong, 2014. Autonomous motivations, driven by personal satisfaction and self-directed desires, can result in more positive emotional outcomes for both men and women. In conclusion, while casual sex can have varying emotional consequences, acknowledging the interplay of evolutionary, social, and motivational factors is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of why it may be worse for women than men in some cases. Buss and Schmidt, 1993, Eagley and Wood, 1999, Vrangelova and Ong, 2014, Garnered et al., 2018, Farvad et al., 2017. Recognizing these complexities can pave the way for more informed discussions about sexuality, relationships, and individual well-being.